Okay, so I want to talk today about Baya hand, and how you can just walk the dog, as I like to say it. But you can take any phrase essentially and make that something that's really working out your Baya while you continue to kind of practice the phrase, right? So if I was just going to be playing dhati dhage dhina gena dhati dhage tina gena, which I was just talking to someone about how they're not playing dhage dhina gena and they're not playing tina gena correctly. So maybe I would give this to that person as try playing dhati dhage dhina gena dhati dhage tina gena over and over again, right? So you play. Right, the key points, tina gena, when you play ti, you also play ge, right? So tina gena, not just tina gena, but tina gena, right? That's crucial for the nikas, or the fingering of the bowl. Anyway, so say I'm playing dhati dhage dina gena dhati dhage tina gena, right? I could be playing. Right, okay, so I'm playing that for a while, and then I decide I'm just gonna let the Baya run. So that sounds like this. Dhati dhina gena, dhati dhage dhina gena, dhati dhage dhina gena, but I'm just playing the Baya on every pulse. Right? So sometimes I'll just do this, like with the common kaida. You know, you have dhati te dhati te dhati te dhage dhina gena, dhati te dhati te dhati te dhage dhina gena, which is really played. Sometimes for a while I'll just play. So I may even work through different paltas, and in my head I'm still keeping the bhari kali, or the, you know, the two-part structure where the bass drops out in the beginning of the second half. I'm still keeping all that together. I'm still thinking about the correct bowls in my mind, but I'm just letting the Baya run. Yeah, because some of this training is not only musical training, it's a type of athletic training. Like, you have muscles and tendons and ligaments, and they need to be strong enough to create the sounds that you want. So just even playing tintal instead of playing. Sometimes I'll just go. Or even, you know, slower tintal. More and more things, but letting the Baya run. So it's important that you're thinking of the bowls. You have to keep thinking of the bowls so that your right hand keeps playing correctly. But you can just let the left hand run sometimes, okay? Only do this if you already have a good mastery of the proper nikas, which is the word for the right fingering, the right manner in which to play the bowl. If you have that, then you should be okay to just let the Baya run sometimes. Let the dog run. Okay? Enjoy the game.